Hey guys, this is Mr. H. Hey, I'm doing question number 20 from page 3. This is not a calculator question, but it is a question that you will see once on the exam, and I think it's a question that everyone should be able to get. Okay, so let's go over it. So it says an example of a 6th degree. Let me get a pen here so I can mark this up. We need a 6th degree polynomial with a leading coefficient of 7 and a constant term of 4. All right, so basically what we need to do is we need to take every one of these answer choices and put them into standard form. And all standard form is you take the highest exponent, put it first, the second highest exponent goes second, third exponent, so forth. And the last thing that you normally have is the constant term. So if you look at number 1, you can see that the 7 goes first, the 5 goes next. This would be a 1, and this is a constant. Now, so this is in standard form, but and when you look for the degree is the highest exponent. So the degree of this polynomial is 7, the leading coefficient for this is 6, the constant is 4. We're looking for a 6th-degree polynomial, and this is a 7th-degree, and we're looking for a leading coefficient of 7, and this is 6. So these two have been switched. So this is not the answer. It's not the answer. Now, number 2, it's not in standard form, so we got to put it in standard form. So this is how you would do it. You're going to take this, since this is the highest exponent, it's going to be 7x to the 6th power. And then the next term is going to be this one, because 2 is the next highest exponent. So, and then, by the way, when you take this 2, you got to take the number and the sign with it. So this is going to be a minus 3x squared. And then we're going to take this, because this is x to the 1. So we're just going to be plus x. Now, you don't have to put a 1, but it's nice to see it because that helps you know that everything is going in descending order like it should be. And then you take the constant 4. So that's going to be a plus 4. Now we can analyze it. So I'm going to change the color, make this blue. So this is the exponent. That's also the degree, and it is a 6. So that is right. It says a leading coefficient of 7. Well, this is the leading coefficient, and it is a 7. So that is right. And then it says it needs to have a constant term of 4. So this is the constant, and it is 4. So this, number 2, is the answer. Now, even though we're done with the question, I'm going to go ahead because I think it's good to just see why the other ones are not, just for more practice. So this one is not in standard form because the x squared should go here. So it would be, if we were writing it in standard form, it would be 7x to the 4th power, and then it would be plus x squared, and then it would be plus 6. So the degree would be 4, the leading coefficient would be 7, the constant is 6. So this is not the answer. We already know that. Now this one is not in standard form. If we were writing it in standard form, let me get a different color here. Let's get purple. So we would do this first. So it would be 4x to the 6th power. And then it'll be 5x, so it'll be plus 5x. I'm going to put a 1 here, and then it's going to be the constant 7. So if we were looking at this one, the degree of this polynomial is 6. The leading coefficient is 4, and the constant is 7. So this is close, but the 4 and the 7 are not in the right places. So this is not the answer. The answer is 2. So you should be able to put it in standard form. And remember, standard form just means you always start with the highest exponent, Then the next high is exponent all the way down to the constant. And that's it. I hope this has been helpful. I'm going to sign off and post this.